How to send money internationally on Bank of America. So here, this is a new feature actually, so it's just going to show us this new send wire transfer in our mobile banking app or online banking. Send domestic and international wire transfers in 140 plus currencies to over 200 countries, available in English and Spanish. So this is a new feature. Like I just said, you can wire transfer from here. How we can do it? Before though, I want to show you the fees. So for domestic transfers, it's going to cost you $30. For international transfers in US dollars, it's going to cost you $45, and international in foreign currencies, it is going to cost you $0. So how can we send wire transfers internationally through Bank of America? So to send a wire transfer, we will first need to log in into our account on the mobile app or online banking, and we have to select pay and transfer. Then we will need to input our debit card number, PIN, and US mobile number or a USB security key. So here you can see, I'm just going to show you for international. So for international, you will need the recipient's name, address, bank information, including the SWIFT code and account number. You can send in US dollars or foreign currency. The cutoff time is 5 p.m. Eastern and typically arrives in 1 to 2 business days. Some countries require specific bank identifiers, such as Canada's transit code or India's IFSC code, or account identifiers, for example, IBAN, CLABE for Mexico, and here you can see a payment guide for all of the different details, and fees and limits may apply. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.